up, guys? Today we are going to have an awesome video. We're going to build some type of robot and with 3 eyes. And we are make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell.
We don't have a bell, but like it.
Yeah, and like, subscribe to the team. So let's get started. First, we're gonna take one of these and that purple piece, and we're going to snap it on. If you're new to this video, make sure to hit the like, and we're gonna take this blue piece and take the end and snap that piece on. Take this big giant piece and snap that on. If you can. I kind of can't. So I'm probably gonna wanna, you're probably gonna want to, if you can't see me, do this. Oh, that. And then we take this brown piece and put it right on the corner so it covers one of the corners, and it's stuck in there. These here are the back. These are cannons. And next, what did I take? Oh yeah, and next, next you are going to set this off to the side. You're going to take these 3 things, take the glass, and what you're going to want to do before you put the glass in is snap these windows together, and like so. See, this is it. Oh, I'm almost out of time, so I may hurry. So then you're gonna wanna snap it in. Snap it in. Snap it in. Snap it in. And snap it in. And then last one. Oops. 2, 1 is wrong thing. Okay. That one, just that, put that right on there. So then, we set that off to the side again. Actually, bring it back in, and set that to the side. And take one of these green boards and flip it up so you can see the back. It'll flip it around. Of course, it has those dots. Take this piece. These will be some eyes. So this is basically the eye eyepiece. Oh, put it on here. This will basically be the eyepiece. Okay, here we go. The eyepiece set off to the side. And then another board. Well, first, or you take that. Oh. Put it off to the side. After you slide these up. But before you do anything with those, you build them in. You gotta grab the head and roll off to the side. Also, this is off to the side. We'll turn the head. And got this. This is the minifig. And then you assemble the side. And next, you're going to take these boards, small boards, connect them together. Make this one kind of far, this one kind of close. And make sure they can connect. And then snap it kind of, if you can, on that on. So next, you're going to flip on over. And then snap this on. We'll push it on. Doesn't make any noise. And cover it. Like, what's there? I know some of it is up top. I can see what I'm doing. So that it can come off. Like you can't pull them out. So you're gonna snap this on. Push it on. You even can. And I'm just gonna have to go out of the video and push. Now, the body doesn't really have any arms. So put the eyepiece on your arm. And then put this on here. Now, baby. After you snap over on, what you want to do is, these are one of the arms. Push this on, then reach back here. You can. Back here, there's a little. I'm gonna have to do something. If I even can. Put little wheels.
Almost out of time. So do you think you're all done to show them the final month's robot?
I have to restart.
No, it's okay.
But I can't put on the wheel.
Maybe this robot doesn't have wheels. Or she rides the wheels. There we go.
Here.
He, sorry.
And he has his own little scooter. Whee!
All right, wrap it up.
I out of time.
You're out of time, so say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
And leave a comment what you want to see us build next. Bye.
Or play with next. Like,
say bye. Oh, say bye. Quick.
bye.